Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export a list of IAM group members to a CSV file using PowerShell. Heads up, you'll need to have already installed and configured AWS PowerShell tools for this to work. So I'll link to a video of how to do that below. All right, let's walk through it. So as you can see, I've already opened up PowerShell, but you could do so by hitting the Windows button and typing in PowerShell, and then just clicking on the PowerShell app here. But I've already done that and created the script, so I'll walk you through what I did here. First, I described the export path. So basically, this just needs to end in the CSV, and you can put it to wherever you want to on your desktop. Then we're going to get all IAM groups with this Get-IAMGroupList command. And then we're going to do a nested loop here. So this is looping through all groups from here, and then it's in the kind of the nested part, it's actually getting the members of the IAM group in this nested loop here with the foreach user and users. And then it's just adding those all to an array that will go down here, and you can see that we're exporting that object to a CSV based on the path name. And then this final step is just to open the CSV file. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and run this. And you can see it's opening the file. And it shows the group name and the username, and then it shows that I have one person in the full admin, IT audit guy, then we have 4 people down here in the S3 group. So it looped through all the groups, and it got all the members of those groups, just as expected. All right, that's it for this video. If it solved your problem, please let me know by commenting and liking this video. If you want to support the channel and let me know that you've been getting some value, please subscribe. Thanks all. Happy auditing.